Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today I put together a well-requested video that you guys have all been asking for. This is how I use signal profits to trade for a profit, and best of all, it's set it and forget it, so I don't even have to think about it. I basically get the trading signals at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then I do this stuff, which I'm about to show you, and then I forget it and I make money while not even trying. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. Obviously, before doing this, not a financial advisor, not telling you what to do with your money. Obviously, trading is risky. Not all trades are winners, but Signal Profits does have a lot of winners. So all that fun stuff. Guys, there is an affiliate link down in the description. So if you do want to check this out, it's $7 for 2 weeks. So definitely check it out. Now, signal profits, I'm going to show you. This is basically what the signals look like. All right, these are what you get in your little Discord inbox every day. Now, this is already a closed signal. This one hit all 4 of its targets for over 60%. Actually, it was up 100% in just 2 days. That's how good these signals are. So this is Ravencoin. Basically what happens is you get these type of things. They have an entry zone, which is an area where you should get into the trade. And then they have some targets. So to be a successful trader, you actually have to take your profits out. All right. You're basically trying to accumulate more Bitcoin. So you put Bitcoin into these altcoins and then you take more Bitcoin out. And that's how you become a successful trader. You can't just hold them forever because prices go up, prices go down. Traders, they take their profits as the price goes up, all right? So they have either 3 or 4 targets for most of them, all right? Now, all of this is based on a lot of technical analysis that Jacob Canfield does. He's been a number one trader on TradingView numerous times, all right? And he even talks about all the trades in there to tell you exactly what's going on with them. But it gives you all this stuff. It gives you the targets to put in. It even gives you a stop loss. So basically, stop losses are there to help prevent you from losing money because a lot of them go up, but not all of them do. But being a trader, you want to do something that a majority of the time is going to get you in the right direction. It's not going to work all the time, but a majority of the time it's going to work. Actually, that's the whole premise of this book, The Way of the Turtle. Basically, trading strategies in there, you want to pick ones that are profitable over long term, that if you execute over and over and over again, that's how you win. So it has a stop loss, and then it even has some notes like why particularly this trade. So that's Ravencoin. I'm going to walk you through how I participated in this trade to get some profits. But other ones, okay? So this one was up over about 100% in 2 days. Now, there are other ones that get lots of big gains, like Loom. This one was up over 67%. Now, this one took a little bit longer. It took like 2 weeks. But oh my gosh, 67% in 2 weeks. That's badass. And again, this one has an entry zone. As you can see with this Ravencoin one, it kind of had like a target. Now, I'll be honest. I've spoken with Jacob, and he said that some of the smartest traders, I forget the dude's name right now, but basically he said he always leaves a little bit of money on the table. So I'm not an exact stickler for I need to get 270. Maybe it's 271 Satoshis. Maybe it's 272 Satoshis. I kind of look at the order books to see where there is a lot of congestion. But, you know, this just has a number here. This one has a zone. So you can go kind of anywhere in there, but it has 4 targets and a stop loss. All right. Also, you get all the technical analysis with that stuff. So anyways, with Ravencoin there, just to give you an idea of what went on. So the signal came out right around here, okay? As the price was coming back down, the signal came out. So the buy order was right here at 270 sats. You see, 270 Satoshis, the buy order. So you just basically place the buy order and eventually, boom, when that candle wicks down, it hits it. It buys for you. You don't need to be sitting there doing it. All right, and then we have the first sell order, the second sell order, the third sell order, and the fourth sell order. So the whole way is going up. You're selling. And also, here's the stop loss. So if it did continue to go down, you would sell out. You wouldn't lose a whole bunch. See, that's why a lot of people are stuck holding bags because they didn't have stop losses on their altcoins. Taking a look at the Loom trade, all right? So the Loom trade was a couple weeks ago, end of September, all right, right around here, okay? But basically, here's the buy order, Okay, and then sell order 1, sell order 2, sell order 3, sell order 4, hit all of them. You can see that wicked them up here, and there was a stop loss as well for if the price went down. Now, you're asking, how do I set these sell orders? Because I know on exchanges, like if you go on Binance or Bittrex, you can place a limit order, and then you can, once those are bought, you can then put your stop losses, your sell orders, all things like that. But what if you don't have the time to do all that stuff? Well, guys, that's what 3commas is for. Okay, 3commas, it's not free, but I get the cheapest one. It's like 29 bucks a month, and basically it's $1 a day. Okay, you set it, you forget it. I'll put a affiliate link down in the description there, so if you want to use that, that helps me out too. All right, so 3commas, I really like to use this because it is very, very simple. And basically all you do, first thing you need to do is you need to set up your API with whatever exchanges you use. It uses Bittrex, Binance, a whole bunch of other ones as well. Then you're going to click on Smart Trade right here. And once you click on Smart Trade, you'll be able to basically set up your trade completely and then just execute it and forget it. So basically all you're going to do is I'm going to walk you through with Ravencoin. First thing is entry zone is 270 sats. So I'm going to set that here, 270 Satoshis. All right. And then the total amount that I'm going to buy. Now this is going to vary depending upon how much you will put in. I would not recommend going all into each trade. That is very risky. Personally, I only put about 5% of my investment portfolio in each trade. Okay? That's personally. Maybe you want to do more than that. Maybe you want to do less than that. That's what I do. It doesn't mean that's what's correct. That's just what I feel comfortable doing because I realized I could completely lose 20 trades and then I would lose all my money. So I figure the chances of that happening are very slim. Anyways, so there. You have the whole entire buy set up. It selects how many Raven based on that price and that amount of Bitcoin. So next you want to set your take profits. So this is where you're going to be taking your profits. And basically, generally, I just do it pretty simple. If there are 4 targets, I take 25% at each. If there are 3 targets, I take 33% and 34% at the last one. Okay? So basically, I just divide them up evenly, but that makes sure I kind of get paid. Now, some people will take more profits at the lower ones and less profit at the higher ones. Some people will do the reverse. It's kind of all up to you depending upon what you want to do. So, we already set our entry zone at 270 Satoshis. Now our first target is 286 Satoshis. So basically you're going to go to the set take profit, make sure it's on limit order and bid. And then you set this to 286, all right? And boom, it's down here at 286. We want to split the targets, okay? And the quantity is 25%, like I said. Now another thing you could do if you wanted to, if you weren't using these signals exactly, you could say, hey, I want my first target to be at like 15%. All right, so it would, if you put it at 15%, it would automatically set it to 310. But anyways, we're doing 286 for the first one. All right, add that target. And then the second one is 312. And then 364. 364. And the last one is 416. Boom. Add that target, okay? Now I have all my targets set. So what I've done, I've set my buy order, I've set my sell orders. Now I want to set my stop loss just to prevent, losing everything in case it all goes bad. So again, limit order, bid, and then we want to check what the stop loss is, 237, okay? We set that at 237. And that's good. And then all we need to do is scroll down. We click create trade. Now I'm not going to do this because obviously I already did this trade, but then the trade is created. You set it, you forget it. That is all of it. Simple as can be, okay? Now, if you guys need more information on 3commas, I'll put this article down in the description. There is a good article on Medium for 3commas configuration. Just goes through the whole entire thing, telling you all about the different things like trailing stop losses, all this stuff in case you want to modify it to your benefits. But guys, it is really that simple. And that's why I like using signal profits because honest, I'm a little bit lazy. But here, I get the recommendations of a professional trader who's doing very well, and with my experience has done very well for me. And I just basically get the signals in the morning. It takes me like 10 minutes to set them up, all right? And then, boom, I get to make money on autopilot. Now, do I get into all the trades? No. Some of them I don't get into. But a lot of them I do. And the ones that I do, it automatically takes profit. So I just see the amount of Bitcoin I have just growing on there. It's pretty rad. So I highly recommend Signal Profits. If you haven't checked it out, there is a link in the description. Helps out the channel. All right. You get 2 weeks for $7. After that, guys, it is $300 a month. But it's well worth it because I'm making more than that in Bitcoin from trading on there. Generally, to make that type of money, you need to have about $2,500 or more to trade with. All right. Just so if you guys have less than that, it may not be worth your while. Okay. But for those of you guys who do, definitely worth your while. I use it. I believe in it. It's been working great. I think that if you guys try it out, you'll find that it works very well also. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I know you guys were asking a lot for that. These things do take a little bit more effort and editing than normal videos. But thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching it. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.